Hi everyone, and welcome to our lesson for today. Today we are going to talk about exploring rhyme. Let's get started.
Materials.
So for the materials in our lesson today, the only thing you need is your thinking cap. So we're all set. We have 3 learning targets for our lesson today. Our first target says, I can identify the name and sound for the letters A and T. I can identify and produce words that rhyme. And our last target, I can identify 2 rhyming words from listening to a line of text. 3 targets for our lesson today.
Transition song.
All right, get ready to sing with me. It's time to sing our ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the letters we use to read and write. Let's get to know them by sound and by sight.
Articulatory gestures.
This is our picture of our turn. Our turn begins with the letter T. T, t, turn. T, t, turn. Notice how when we say the t sound, our tongue touches the tip of our teeth, the back of our teeth. We can feel it t as we say that sound. I want you to try and see if you can feel your tongue touch the back of your teeth in your mouth when you make the t sound for turn. Go ahead and try it. Remember, there are 26 letters in the alphabet, and each one of them are important because they all make a sound. But remember, there are also 5 extra special letters that are in the alphabet, and they are called vowels. Remember, the letter A is a vowel, and the letter A makes the A sound. See how the A sounds when you say it in your mouth. A. Remember, our mouth is wide open and our tongue is pushed down. A. You try to make the A sound and see if your mouth does the same thing. A. Your turn.
Word work.
I am going to read the Alligator and Tern poem again to you today. But this time, we're going to look for something a little bit different. As I read through the poem, I want you to listen closely and see if you can hear anything that sounds the same. See if there's some words that sound the same to you as I read through the poem. Get ready to listen carefully. Alligator and Tern. Alligator went to the animal zoo. He met a tiny tern and asked, "How are you?" "Terrific," said the tiny tern. "More than okay, 'cause now it is time to play all day." So they played a fun game. Would you like to do the same? Did you hear any words that sound the same to you when I read through the poem? Now, I'm going to read through our poem again, but this time I left out a few words and I put smiley faces in place of those words. So as I read, when I get to a smiley face, I want you to say the word that goes there. Ready? Alligator went to the animal. He met a tiny tern and asked, "How are?" "Terrific," said the tiny tern. "More than okay, 'cause now it is time to play all day." So they played a fun. Would you like to do the? Great job. How did you know which words went in the spaces where the smiley faces were. Right! You might remember we've read through this poem a few times already, so you may already know what word goes there on those lines. I'm going to read the words that I left out of the poem, and I want you to notice something about them. Zoo, you, game, same. What do you notice about these words? Right, they sound the same. They have the same ending sound. What is different about these words? They have a different beginning sound. Right, so they rhyme. They have the same ending sound, but a different beginning sound. Nice work.
Sounds.
It's time to play a game. I'm going to say some words from the poem and then show you a picture. And you say the name of the picture that you see. And then we'll figure out how the words from the poem and the picture go together. Are you ready? Here's my first picture. Shh. This is a shoe. Here are my words from the poem. Zoo, you, shoe. How do these words go together? Yes, these words rhyme. They have the same ending sounds. Zoo, you, shoe. How about another one? Here's my next picture. It's the number 2. 2, zoo, you, shoe. Do these words rhyme? Do they go together? They do go together. How do we know? Because they rhyme. They have the same ending sounds. You're right. Great job playing my game. I hope you had fun.
Closing reflection.
Let's get ready to reflect on our lesson for today. Here are my questions. Do the words game and name rhyme? Yes, they do. How do you know? Because they have the same ending sound. Awesome work with rhyming today. You did it. We learned so much about rhyming today. Listen out for words that rhyme today and see how many you can hear. It's time to say goodbye, but we met all of our targets again today. We talked some more about our letters A and T. We were able to identify and produce some rhyming words, and we were able to find them in the text that we were reading. Good work today. I hope you had fun rhyming with me again today, and I will see you next time. Bye.